Hello everyone, I am Joseph. Welcome to Joseph's Easy English.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
We help you practice real, everyday English.
Please, if you like learning with us, click that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us so much.
Yes, thank you.
Joseph, I am very excited about today's episode. We are going to look at a very common situation, forgetting someone's name.
That's right, Joy. It happens to everyone. In our story today, we have hidden 50 very useful words. These are A1 and A2 level words that you can use every single day.
As you listen to Ben and Lisa talk, keep an eye out for those words. We will also be using our 3D tech mind maps later in the video to help you organize everything you learn.
And of course, we have a special song at the end to make sure these words stay in your memory forever. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's head over to the city and see what Adam and Mary are up to today.
Oh, excuse me. I am so sorry. I was not looking where I was going. I apologize.
Oh my goodness, be careful. You almost knocked over my shopping bag.
I am very sorry. I am just... Wait a second. Is that Mary? Mary Smith?
Adam? Adam Wilson? Is that you? I do not believe it.
It is me, Adam. Wow. Hello. How are you? How's it going? I haven't seen you in such a long time.
It is going really well, thank you. I'm doing great. It is such a surprise to see you here, on this street, in this neighborhood. What are you doing here?
Well, honestly, I am in a bit of a hurry. Actually, I'm in a big hurry. I'm rushing to my office.
You are always in a hurry, Adam. Even in school, you were always running. Why are you in a hurry today? It is such a beautiful morning. Look at the sun. Look at the sky.
You're right. It is a beautiful morning. But I have a meeting, a very important meeting. It starts in... Oh no, it starts in 15 minutes.
15 minutes? That is not a lot of time, but it is enough time to say hello to an old friend, right?
Yes, of course. I always have time for a friend, especially you, Mary. We have not had a conversation in how long? Has it been a year?
I think it has been more than a year. I think it has been 2 years. The last time I saw you was at that big conference. Do you remember?
The conference. Yes, I remember. It was in that big hotel, the one with the red carpet and the gold lights. We had a long discussion about technology.
Yes, we talked about technology and how it changes our work. You were telling me about a new computer program. You said it was very interesting.
I did say that. That was a good discussion. But you know what? That seems like a long time ago. My memory is getting bad. I'm terrible with dates. I'm terrible with remembering exactly when things happened.
Don't worry, Adam. I am terrible with dates too. And I'm terrible with names. Sometimes I see a face, a familiar face, and I know the person. But the name, it just slips my mind.
It slips your mind? Oh, I hate that feeling. It is so embarrassing.
It is very embarrassing. Just last week, I met my neighbor. I have lived next to him for a month. I see him every morning, but when I tried to introduce him to my sister, his name slipped my mind. I just stood there. I didn't say anything.
Oh no, that is terrible. What did you do?
I just smiled. I smiled and said, "This is my neighbor." I hoped he wouldn't notice.
That is a good trick. I should use that. Because honestly, Mary, I have a problem today. I am going to this meeting at the bank. Well, it's not at the bank. It is in the building next to the bank.
The tall glass building? The one on the corner?
Yes, exactly. That one. It is right around the corner. Anyway, I am meeting a new client. His name is Mr. Oh no.
What is wrong, Adam? You look worried.
I am worried. His name has slipped my mind. I knew it this morning. I saw it on my email. But now, standing here on the street, I cannot remember it. Is it Mr. Brown? Mr. Green? Mr. White?
Oh, Adam, that is stressful. You cannot go to a meeting if you do not know the client's name. Do you have his contact details?
I think so. I have his card. Or maybe I have a paper with his details. It is somewhere in my bag.
Well, you should check. Look in your bag. I can wait. I am not in a hurry. I'm just going to the bakery.
You are going to the bakery? The one right here?
Yes, I love this bakery. It smells so good. Can you smell the bread? Can you smell the coffee?
Yes, I can. It smells delicious. It smells like fresh cookies. I did not have lunch yet. Actually, I did not have breakfast. I am very hungry.
You should get something to eat, but first, find that name. Look in your bag.
Okay, let's see. This bag is too full. I carry too many things.
What do you have in there? It looks like you have rocks in there.
No rocks, just work stuff. Look, here's my laptop, here is my charger, here is a notebook, here is another notebook.
You have 2 notebooks?
Yes, one for work and one for, well, just for random thoughts. I like to write down ideas.
That is interesting. What kind of ideas?
Oh, just ideas about life, about places I want to visit, about restaurants I want to try.
Speaking of restaurants, have you tried the new Italian place? It is on this street, just past the traffic light.
No, I haven't. Is it good?
It is fantastic. The food is great, the service is fast, and it is not expensive. You should try it. Maybe for dinner?
That is a good idea. I need a new place for dinner. I am tired of cooking at home. I am terrible with cooking. I always burn the food.
You burn the food? Even simple food?
Yes, last week I tried to make eggs, just simple eggs, but I got distracted by a phone call. I was having a discussion on the phone and I forgot about the eggs. When I came back to the kitchen, smoke everywhere.
Oh, Adam, that is funny, but also dangerous. You really need to be careful. You are too forgetful.
I know, my mother tells me the same thing. Adam, she says, you are smart, but you are forgetful. She says I need to train my mind.
She is right. So, did you find the card? The one with the client's name?
Not yet. Let me look deeper. Here's a pen. Here is a bottle of water. Here is a... Wait, what is this? Oh, this is an old receipt. I don't need this. Here is my wallet.
Maybe it is in your wallet?
Let me check. I have my credit card. I have my library card. I have my gym card. I never go to the gym, but I have the card.
You should go to the gym. It is good for your health and good for your mind.
I know. I'm just so busy with work. I sit in the office all day, from morning until evening. I sit in a chair, I look at a screen. It is tiring.
That does sound tiring. You need to walk more. Like today, you are walking today.
Yes, running, actually. Okay, I don't see the business card in my wallet. This is bad. This is really bad. If I go to the meeting and say, hello, you, it will be very awkward.
What about your phone? Did you save his contact details in your phone?
My phone, of course. Why didn't I think of that? He pulls out his smartphone. I am so silly. I rely on technology for everything, but sometimes I forget to use it.
See? Forgetful. Look at your contacts. Search for the company name.
Okay, the company is called Global Tech. He types on the screen. Global. Okay, here it is. Global Tech.
And what is the name?
It says Mr. Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds. Yes, I remember now.
Mr. Reynolds. That is an easy name. How did that slip your mind?
I don't know. Stress, I guess. But now I remember. Mr. Reynolds. He is the tall man with glasses. Okay, I feel much better. Thank you, Mary. You saved me.
I didn't do anything. You found it. But I'm glad I could help you calm down.
You really did help. You know, since I have my phone out, I realized I do not have your current details.
You don't? I thought you did.
No, I have an old number. It starts with 202.
Oh, that is my old number. That's from 3 years ago. I changed my phone when I moved to this neighborhood.
See, I am terrible with keeping up. Can you give me your new number? I want to invite you to lunch sometime. Or maybe that dinner at the Italian place.
I would love that. Okay, are you ready? My new number is 555-343-9900.
555-343-99... Wait, was it 9900 or 9009?
It is 9900, 9900.
Got it. 9900. And your email?
It is just my name, mary.smith@webmail.com.
mary.smith@webmail.com. Okay, saved. Now we are connected.
Good. Now you have no excuse. You cannot forget me again.
I won't, I promise. I will set a reminder. Actually, let's do it now. When are you free next week?
Next week, let me think about my schedule. On Monday, I work. On Tuesday, I have a dentist appointment. I hate the dentist.
Me too. It is painful.
On Wednesday, I am free on Wednesday evening.
Wednesday evening? That works for me. I finish work at 6 p.m. We could meet at 7?
7 p.m. is perfect. Where should we meet? Here on this corner?
Yes, let's meet right here, in front of the bakery. It is easy to find, and the smell of bread will make us hungry.
That is a plan. Wednesday at 7. Put it in your calendar, Adam. Don't let it slip your mind.
I'm doing it right now. Siri, set a reminder for dinner with Mary on Wednesday at 7 p.m.
Reminder set. Wow, technology is amazing.
It is helpful for people like me who are terrible with memory.
Well, Adam, look at the big clock on the bank. What time is it now?
Oh no, it is 8:58. I have 2 minutes.
You need to run. Go, run to your office. Don't be late.
It was so good to see you, Mary. Thank you for the chat.
Good luck with Mr. Reynolds. Have a good meeting.
I will. Bye.
Don't trip.
I won't. See you on Wednesday.
Good morning, Adam. You are cutting it close today.
I know, Susan, I know. I met an old friend. We had a long conversation.
Well, the elevator is waiting. Mr. Reynolds is already upstairs.
He is? Oh boy, I better be fast.
Okay, Mr. Reynolds, Global Tech, discussion about the new project. I can do this. I have the details. I have the name. I am ready.
Ah, Adam, you are here. Just in time.
Hello. You must be Adam.
Yes, hello, Mr. Reynolds. It is very nice to meet you. I am sorry I am a little out of breath. I was in a bit of a hurry.
That is quite all right. I was just admiring the view from your office. This corner office has a great view of the neighborhood.
Yes, it does. You can see the park, you can see the bank, you can even see the bakery down the street.
The bakery? Is that the one that smells so good?
Yes, the sweet corner. It is fantastic. Actually, Mr. Reynolds, if we finish our discussion early, maybe we can go there for lunch.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. I love fresh bread.
Okay, gentlemen, let's start the meeting. Adam, do you have the numbers for the project?
Yes, I do. They are right here in my notebook.
Adam, do you have the notebook?
Funny story. Remember I told you I am terrible with remembering things?
Adam.
Just kidding. Here it is. I never forget the important things.
You have a good sense of humor, Adam. I like that.
Thank you. Now let's look at these details. The project is very interesting. We've been working on it for a year.
The camera slowly pulls back out of the window, leaving Tom, the boss, and Mr. Reynolds talking. We float back down to the street. We see Neri walking into the bakery. She looks happy. She buys a loaf of bread. She buys a cookie. She walks out and looks at her phone. She smiles. Wednesday at 7. I won't forget.
Did you understand the conversation? Adam was in a big hurry, and poor Mary had to help him find everything.
But they are good friends. Now, let's look at our mind maps to remember the key words from their story.
Let's look at the first map. We saw Adam on the street in his neighborhood.
He was near the bank and the bakery, and he was in a huge hurry to get to his office.
He had to walk very fast because he didn't want to be late for his meeting.
Now look at map number 2. Adam had a problem. The client's name slipped his mind.
He had to check his bag and his phone to find the contact details.
He is terrible with names, but luckily, he remembered to set a reminder for dinner.
Please write your answer in the comments below. Have you ever forgotten a friend's name? What did you do? Use English if you can, but even a few words are fantastic. We read as many as we can and we always give hearts. And while you're there, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
Hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Now listen to this song to help you remember forever. Thanks for watching Joseph's Easy English. See you next time.
In the morning, on the street, in my neighborhood, friends I meet. I walk to the office, around the corner so near. But I'm in a hurry, the meeting is here. I wait at the bank, then I see your face. In this busy, building-filled place. Oh, it slipped my mind, I forget your name. Is it embarrassing? It's a memory game. Please remind me, don't think I'm terrible or bad. Remembering details makes me so glad.
Give me your card, your phone and email too. I'll save your contact just for you.
In the afternoon, let's have a discussion so deep. These numbers and details are for us to keep. Our conversation is interesting and new.